Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So my pair of Airwalks that I've been skating for a few months are completely destroyed. I got holes underneath both shoes now, completely gone. I got a brand new set here that I haven't skated in, so we're gonna go test these bad boys out and do another wear and tear test. Oh yeah. Time to go do a wear and tear test. Hey, what's up everyone? Got a new pair of Airwalks here that I'm gonna do the wear and test on. So I've been loving Airwalks, but the only complaint I have is when you first start skating them, they're really slippery and don't really have much grip until you like work in the shoe, so it actually gets grippy. Other than that, they're cheap and they last long and they're really good. So let's just do a bunch of tricks and see how it goes. So my honest opinion about Airwalks, they're cheap, reliable, great skate shoes. They only cost 40 bucks from Walmart. As you can tell in the video, I did some nollie tricks and regular tricks. It just seems like they're a bit slippery at first before you work them in. So this material is a bit slippery, even this part, but once you start to work it in, as you can see there, then it actually works pretty good. But after the first skate session, as you can see, there's a little bit of wear and tear, but really nothing. So you can see there's a little bit of wear and tear, but really and honestly, like with the first skate session, there's like really nothing. I find this part of the shoe to be a bit slippery, like I said, until you actually start to work in the rubber. Airwalks are actually really good. I mean, for like 40 bucks, you can't go wrong for these skate shoes. Like they last me at least 2 months and I skate pretty hard and do a lot of tricks daily. My only suggestion is if they would make this part go up a little bit higher so you have a little bit more extra protection there, or even make the rubber go up to that part, like a circle part here or something, to make the shoes last longer. The bottoms are a bit slick at first, but then once you start working them in, they actually wear down really quick. So yeah, comparing the new one to the old one, as you can see, this has been worked in and the material is very grippy, where the other new one isn't nearly as grippy. So you gotta work it in, and once it gets to this point, it's like it's amazing. And as I was saying for this part, look, that's where I do my ollies and kick flips and heel flips. It starts to wear down fairly quick, so I had to like put some like tufts in there to make it last longer. But once I filled in that hole there, which should be covered with another couple layers or even just like a rubber patch there, I was able to skate longer. But like I said, once you actually wear in the bottom too, and it gets to that certain point, it just shreds right through it. But that takes like a month or two before that actually happens. So it all depends on how many tricks you're doing and how often you're skating and how long you're skating. Yeah, that's the difference between a shoe that I've skated for like 2 months, maybe 3 months, and then a shoe that I just freshly got there. And yeah, this part here, you definitely got to work in more and just go with it. But honestly, amazing skate shoes, Airwalk, and it'd be incredible if I could actually go on Flow or get sponsored by you guys. I tell so many people at the skate parks, tell so many friends. I've probably gotten like 6 or 7 people to buy them. So yeah, it just seems like it would be a perfect match. But yeah, I definitely recommend these Airwalks. They're cheap, reliable, and good quality for what they are. So yeah, that's just my honest opinion and review on these. You can definitely check them out for yourself. I'm looking forward to hopefully when Etnies comes to Walmart in Canada, because I'm definitely going to be getting a pair of those. Heck, if any of you out there want to sponsor me for skate shoes or send me shoes, let me know and I'll definitely test and review. Anyways, you all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.